Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play this famous legendary solo from Nowhere Man by the Beatles. This song is perfect for anyone who's this late beginner, early intermediate stage because it combines some basic chords with some melody on top of them, so it teaches you how to play chords and melody at the same time with this nicely sounding melodic way. So the whole solo starts simply on the chord E major. So you need to know how to play E major, just here. And you basically just strum from the top string to the bottom string, emphasizing the thinnest string, the E string at the end. So immediately after that you play the B string like that. So the E string and the B string, that's your melody notes. So you want to make them a little bit louder than the rest. Then we'll move to this chord. So it's 4th fret on D, G, and B. With these 3 fingers, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger. It's the second inversion of the B major chord, and here it's really important that our E string is still ringing, because the melody here goes like this. So you strum through them first, ending on the B string. Then you play open E string. And then you play 2nd fret on the E string, so like this. So if I connect it to the first part, for the next part we go to this chord, A major chord. Just again strum through it, and then we'll play the bottom 3 string in reverse order like this. So strum, and then emphasizing the E string, then B string, and then G string. Something like this. Yeah, this is your melody. So again, connecting it to the rest. You can just move these fingers down like I just did, so you don't have to like change to this shape of an A, so you can keep playing the A with 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger. Okay, next we're going back to E major, but here instead of strumming all the way through, we'll end on the G string with the 1st fret on it. So like this. And our melody is like this. Then we add the pinky on the 2nd fret, and then open B. Here we don't necessarily want to the open B and the 2nd fret on G to sound together. So you just play it as a melody. You can take the pinky off once you play the B string. Okay, so again, connecting to the rest. We're almost at the end. Next chord was going to be basically F sharp minor, but it's more than enough just to play this shape. 3rd finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and pinky on the 4th fret on the D string, and index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. You strum through them again. You end on the G string, play twice, and then you play the D string. That's your melody. Okay, next we go to this shape, basically A sus2, but we only play A, D, and G strings again. So. And then we add the 3rd fret on the A string, so it goes like this. You strum through it, ending on G again, twice, but then you don't go to D, but you go to A and add the 3rd finger there. So. Okay, so connecting these 2 chords. Okay, then you add this pull off, so you play 3rd fret, and then you pull off the 2nd fret. And then you ending on the nice technique. This is why this solo is also so great, because it teaches you a few different techniques. You slide from the 7th fret all the way down. Play the open string and end on the harmonic on the 5th fret like this. If it doesn't sound for you so well, you can also do it on the 12th fret when it's a bit easier. But in the song they're doing it on this one, which is even an octave higher. I'll now go from the F sharp minor part all the way till the end, and then I'll take the solo from the beginning and show you how it all fits together. So starting with this shape. Okay, now the whole thing together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a like. Check out some other videos I have on this channel. I share some of my own covers, some reaction videos, or more educational videos like this. See you in the next one. Keep it funky.